Hi, this is Jeremy, Service Technician with California Surveying and Drafting Supply, and today we'll be covering how to use HP Click.
First thing to do is to go to your preferred browser and go to hp.com. Once there, we're looking for the Support tab, and then Software and Drivers. Click on Printer, and type in HP Click in the search bar. This will bring you to the HP Click page, where you need to scroll down to Software, and click Download. We will skip ahead to save time. Once it is downloaded, you will need to execute the file so the install can begin. This can take a minute. Once HP Click installs, you'll be greeted with an optional data page, and you will be ready to get started. Click Get Started, and this will bring you to your Preferences page. You can change these settings later. Hit Next. HP Click will automatically begin searching for your plotters on the network. Once they are populated on the screen, they are technically already installed and ready to go. Newer models like the 3800 and 950 will require a pin. The pin is located on the back next to the serial number. It is possible for HP Click to not auto-detect. It is okay. We can add it manually. Just wait for the progress bar to finish and go down and hit Add Manually. Here you can either add by host name or the IP address. For today, we will use the IP. Once that is entered, go ahead and hit your blue arrow, and your model should pop up below. Go ahead and hit Continue. Getting print jobs into HP Click is very simple. You can either drag and drop or search right through the program. Select the file you want to print, and hit Open. HP Click will begin analyzing the job. Once the job is fully imported into HP Click, you'll be greeted by the home page. On the left-hand side are all the pages in the job. In the center is the currently selected preview, and on your right are your print settings. Back up to the left, your Select All tool is very important. This is where you can select all at once or select individual pages. Whatever has a blue check mark in the top left will be printed. Back to the right side, if you have more than one printer on your network, it should populate here. Underneath that is your paper source, your black and white color options, your quality options, your alignment and layout underneath. Once all settings are to your liking and you've chosen the pages that you want to print, hit Print. HP Click will send it to your HP plotter. Once you've received your notification, you know your job has successfully sent.
Once again, this is Jeremy with California Surveying and Drafting Supply. I want to thank you for joining me, and please stay tuned for future uploads.